If you just had an offer accepted on a house, congratulations. That is a big step. But many homebuyers ask the same question right after that. Now what happens? Many first-time homebuyers think the hard part is over once their offer gets accepted. In reality, this is when the real process begins. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what happens after your offer is accepted, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. Hi, I'm John Werner with Mortgage and Credit Pro. I'm licensed in Arizona, Oregon, and Washington. And I help homebuyers understand the mortgage process and navigating the steps of buying a home. And if you're looking for a great real estate agent, I also work with some excellent realtors. If you need a recommendation, just let me know, and I can connect you with someone who does a great job helping buyers. Let's talk about what happens next. The first step after your offer is accepted is opening escrow. This means the home is officially going under contract, and the process begins at this stage. A title company or an escrow company usually steps in to help manage the transaction. They help store important documents, track deadlines, and ensure everything moves forward towards closing. The second step is scheduling the home inspection. The inspection is very important because it gives you a clear understanding of the home's condition. An inspector will look at the roof, electrical system, plumbing, heating, and cooling, and the home's overall structure. If something major shows up, your real estate agent may help negotiate repairs or credits with the seller. This is one reason having a strong agent matters so much. The third step is the appraisal. Your lender will order an appraisal to confirm that the home's value supports the purchase price. The appraiser is an independent professional who evaluates the home and compares it to similar homes in the area. If the value comes in at or above the contract price, things move forward normally. If it comes in lower, your agent and lender will help you look at possible options. Next comes the loan approval process. During this time, your lender reviews all of your documents and finalizes the loan. You may be asked for additional paperwork during this stage. That is normal. It might include updated pay stubs, bank statements, or explanation for certain items. Respond promptly to document requests so everything stays on schedule. The next step is preparing for closing. This is when the title company prepares the final documents and you receive something called the closing disclosure. That document shows the final loan terms, your interest rate, and the total amount needed to close. You usually receive this a few days before signing, so you have time to review everything. Then comes the final step, closing day. This is when you sign the final paperwork and officially become a homeowner. You'll bring any funds needed to close and sign the documents. Once everything is completed, the home becomes yours. Now here's the biggest thing. I want buyers to remember the time between having your offer accepted and closing can feel stressful because there are many moving parts. But when you have the right team helping you, the process becomes much smoother. Your lender, your agent, the title company, and the inspector all work together to help you get to the finish line. By the way, if you're a first-time home buyer and you want a step-by-step roadmap, the entire home buying process, I created a free first-time home buyer guide. You can download it using the link in the description below. It explains credit scores, down payments, loan options, and every step of buying your first home. Now I'm curious about something. What part of buying a home do you think is the most confusing? Is it the financing, inspection, closing costs, or something else? Leave a comment below because I read the comments and they help me decide what videos to make next. If this video helped you better understand the home buying process, make sure you subscribe because I post weekly videos about mortgages, credit, real estate, and first-time homebuyer tips. And if you're buying a home and want help understanding your options, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.